Laser rust removal machine, with its high performance, is widely used in metal surface rust removal, tire mold cleaning, oil and stain cleaning, stone surface attachment removal, object surface rust removal and paint removal, and welding surface and spray surface pretreatment. In aerospace, rail transportation, shipbuilding, tire molds, automobile manufacturing, electronics industry, and high-end machine tools and other fields, it has shown great advantages. Continuous laser rust removal is suitable for large area object surfaces, such as automobile chassis, and has higher rust removal efficiency. Pulsed laser rust removal is suitable for small area object surfaces, such as molds, and has more delicate rust removal. No damage to the base layer. PerfectLaser, as an industry-famous manufacturer in laser industry, produces a variety of rust removal machines, including handheld laser rust removal machine PW1000G, backpack laser rust removal machine P100B, 3-in-1 laser rust removal machine PW2000, to meet your diverse needs. The greater the power, the higher the rust removal efficiency. On brick walls and sculptures, the rust removal machine is used to obtain the underlying color. On wooden doors and wooden boxes, the dark dust on the surface is removed. The manhole cover of the sewer, the dirt on the tiles on the ground, through rust removal, the surface is completely new. The laser rust removal machine greatly improves the work efficiency and does not damage the base layer. It is a weapon for you to turn old into new and waste into treasure. Contact us and have your own laser rust removal machine immediately.